Hey you guys, it's Jess Raj. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to learn how to use Avagard. And Avagard is basically kind of like a alternative after your first scrub. So let's get right into it. So this is Avagard. And there is like a little foot pedal that you can push it and the Avagard will come out, so you don't have to touch anything. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my right hand. So I'm going to do one squirt, and you're going to use this finger, go like this, and you're going to bring it all the way down, all the way up to your elbows. And you're going to do the other hand. So I'm going to squirt this hand. Same thing. I'm going to take this hand and then bring it all the way. Don't go back and forth. Just work all the way up to your elbow, and you're going to do one more. And that's for your hands and fingers. And then get through there. So you're going to squirt 3 times. And sometimes it'll kind of be a little extraness on you, but it's going to dry up. So you don't have to dry anything off on your hands. A lot of surgeons love this. And by the time you go in and start gloving and gowning, this will basically be dry. Give it about a few seconds and you're good. So I hope this information helped you guys out a lot. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.